Good morning students. My name is Dr. BT. We'll talk about microscopy today. First, the learning objectives. So at the end of this session, you will be able to understand the types of microscope, the principles of light microscope, dark field microscope, phase contrast microscope, fluorescent microscope and electron microscope. So today actually I'll be dealing with only light microscope. So just a recap. You all know that the size of the bacteria is around 0.2 to 1.5 micrometer in size. Viruses are yet smaller and around 20 to 300 nanometers in size. Parasites like protozoas and helminths are from micrometers to a few millimeters in size. Fungi grow as hyphae. Hyphae are thread-like structures which are around 2 to 10 micrometers in diameter, and fungi can also have hyphae which are several centimeters in length. So actually coming to the topic, so there are different types of microscope. So what is the use of microscope? Can anyone answer? Yes, correct. So it is used to magnify objects which are not able to be visualized using a unaided eye. Okay, well, then the different types of microscope are as follows: the bright field microscope, the light microscope, the dark field microscope or the dark brown microscope, the phase contrast, fluorescent and electron microscope. So today we will be discussing mainly about the the bright field microscope or the light microscope. So we will discuss the properties of the microscope. The first property is resolution. So resolution may be defined as the ability of the microscope to produce two different images of closely placed objects which can be distinguished into two separate entities. Okay. Next is refractive index. So you all know that oil has greater refractive index than air. So hence we use oil to enhance the resolution power. Okay, wow. So here you can see that cedarwood oil or even liquid paraffin can also be used to increase the refractive index. So the second property is good contrast. So good contrast can be improved by using stains. So when the stain binds to the cell, the contrast is increased. So the cell organelles and other structures can be seen in a better fashion. Next is magnification. So magnification is achieved by using lenses. We have several types of lenses. The first one is ocular lens or the eyepiece. So the eyepiece is always a 10x magnification lens. Next one is objective lens. So objective lens are of several types. You have the scanning microscope lens which is 4x, low power which is 10x, high power which is 40x and all emission which is 100x. So the total magnification may be defined as a product of the magnification of the ocular lens as well as the objective. So it gives the product of the magnifications of the objective and ocular lens. The maximum magnification is 1000x. 1000 times magnification can be done. So first is the bright field microscope or the light. So this forms a dark image against the brighter background. Okay. So in the structure, the parts are divided into three main categories. The first one is the mechanical part, the second one is the magnification, and the third one is the illumination part. So mechanical part, first thing is the base. So the base holds the various parts of the microscope. The second one is the C-arm. The C-arm connects the microscope to the ocular lens and objective. Mechanical stage holds the slides. Next is magnification parts. The first one is the ocular lens and second is objective. The third one is illuminating parts. First is the condenser which focuses the light on the slide which is present beneath the slide. Okay. The iris diaphragm which controls the light which passes through the condenser. The third one is the light source which is in the form of a mirror or an electric bulb. The fourth one is the coarse and fine adjustment knobs which helps in sharpening the images. Thank you.